Alright, so we've got a couple different ways to do layered navigation. One thing you'll find is that on the existing site you'll have wheel diameter, wheel width, any of the ones that have it look like 3 or less, 1 or less, any of these are all what are called, they're actually set up as price level. Then you also see these here that are drop downs. These are also specified in the back end as well. So let me go into the back end. So if you go into the back end of the existing Magento site, you'll see manage attributes, catalog, manage attributes, and then filter by use layer navigation. So you see all these here. We've got a total of 22 of them. When the new Magento storefront was set up, it looks like someone added or imported in all of these without making them the correct type of layered navigation. So what you'll see here is, for example, wheel width. See, this one's price. It's got like a slider to it on the front end. You'll also have, you see how that one's set up as price. You've got one called swivel lock. You can see this one is set up as a drop down, and this has yes or no in it. You'll also see, for some example of like tread material, same thing. This is a drop down, and then all the options are in here. You come into the new Magento storefront, you'll go to store, product, attributes, so attributes, product. We currently have all of these in here, so let me go ahead and what we'll need to do is delete out the existing ones that need to be layered navigation, and then we'll have to re-add them in the correct version. So for example, like I had the width. You'll see I matched up this one identical to the existing system. So you've got this one as catalog input type for store owner. It's a price level. Once we get those set up, then we'll be able to do the import of the product data, making sure that we use the same type of data as the existing system if that's how we want to set up. But to use the separate variations like 2 to 3 inches, 3 to 4, you have to use the price. That'll do it the correct way. And then if you want to use a drop down function like I showed you there, you have to select it here as input type as drop down. Once we get all those attributes set up correctly, then we'll be able to do a full import of any of the sample data again and test it at that point to make sure that it went in correctly.